Waterfall chart. It is also called as flying bricks because it appears to be suspended in the mid-air, similar to that of bricks. Or it's also called as Mario chart because it resembles the popular computer game character Mario, and bridge chart because the initial and final column are often on horizontal axis while intermediate values are floating columns, which give the chart the appearance of a bridge. Now, what is waterfall chart? It is a graphical tool to show the collective influence of successive positive and negative variables on initial startings. And what is this used for? It is used for decoding financial statements and monitoring store inventories. Now, let's see how to construct waterfall chart. First, we need to have a data table. Here, the data table consists of sales flow over a period of time. It consists of positive and negative values. Carryover balance is the start value and current balance is the sum of all these values. Next, we have to rearrange the data table by inserting three additional columns, one for base, one for fall and one for rise. Base column will be a calculated amount that is used as a starting point for fall and rise series in the chart. All negative numbers will be placed in fall column and all positive numbers in rise column. Now we need to insert formula. Select N5 cell and insert formula is equal to if P5 less than or equal to 0, comma, minus P5, comma, 0. So this means if P5 is less than or equal to 0, the negative number will be shown as positive and positive number will be shown as 0. Okay. Now use hand fill option to autofill the formula. So here we can see the positive value is reflecting as 0 and negative value is reflecting as positive value. Now we'll insert formula here in rise column is equal to if P5 is more than or equal to 0, comma, P5, comma, 0. So this means if P5 is more than or equal to 0, the negative number will be shown as 0 and positive number will be shown as positive number. So here you see fill function to autofill the formula. So now here we can see all the positive number is reflecting as positive number and negative number is reflecting as 0. Okay. Now we'll insert formula in base column. Select N6, put is equal to M5 plus O5 minus N6. Now we'll do autofill. Drag it till the end. So now we got these values. Now our table is ready. Now we have to create a standard stack column chart. This can be done by selecting the table excluding sales flow column. Go to insert tab. Go to insert column. Now here you go to column and click it. Now we need to rearrange it and resize it. Next step is to convert column chart to waterfall chart. Select any bar, right click it, go to fill option, select no fill, go to outline option, select no outline, then go to chart legend, delete base. Now to make it look like waterfall chart, you have to format it. So select chart, select fall series, right click it, go to fill option, fill red color. Similarly, select rise series, go to fill option, select green color. As for start and end column, you need to color code them individually, but they should be in same color. Select start column, right click it, go to fill color, select blue color and fill it. Now go to end column, select it, right click it, go to fill option, select blue color and fill it. Now to remove the excess of white color, double click on any column, go to format data series, go to gap width and set it to 15%. Now we shall add chart title. So go to chart title, click and write waterfall chart. Now we shall add data label. To add data label, select any bar, right click it, go to data labels and add data label. Now go select any one of the data label and again right click it, go to format data label, go to label options, select value from cell and select data label range. We'll go to sales flow and select the range from P5 to P18 and click OK. Now we have to unclick this value and show leader lines. Our chart will look like this. Our waterfall chart will look like this. Select any label box, go to chart elements, go to data label and select inside end. So our chart will look like this. You can make required changes like changing the font size or font color or placing the font, etc. to suit your requirement. Here I am going to reduce the font size. So I just click the label, data label and reduce the font size to 6. We can remove these grids also by going to chart elements, go to grid and unclick it. So we'll get our waterfall chart like this.